I was just coming down here to turn around, and this bridge of death here over the road has gotten a little bit worse. Well, not really. It's just come down a little further from all the wind. It probably shook this tree that it's wedged on, and it dropped down a little bit. It's real close to hitting the top of the Gator, but when it dropped down a little bit, or maybe this is what caused it to drop down, this branch right here broke off, and I tried lifting it up to toss it off to the side, but it's too heavy. So luckily I have the chainsaw with me from doing that work out in the pasture earlier, so I'll have to cut this up, get it out of my way, and I think I'll take that lower branch off as well. If you've seen the previous video on this, I don't really want to cut this damn thing. It's two big trees, and the way they're all wedged up in here, this one right here is gonna fall. It's gonna roll and fall down here as soon as that branch there breaks, which could be any time. And I think this other one is still, well, it's wedged up there, and it might be in the ground still. So this bridge one might be here for a while. It's aspen, so aspen rots out really, really fast. So I might come down here and put the winch on it at some point, but for right now I just want to be able to get under it. The Gator does have a roll cage, so if it were to drop on me while I was driving under it, I don't think I would be killed, but I haven't had real good luck with trees this year, so hopefully it leaves me alone. I'm going to get this out of here. Earlier this year, we had a leaner. It was going off that way, but I wanted it out of here, and there's no real good way to saw it. I think it was this one. No, maybe it was this one. Yeah, it was this one. There was no good way to saw it. There's the bottom part of it. So my nephew took it down for me. Let me see if I can find, yeah, here we go. With his shotgun. Pumped it full of lead. And that took it down just fine. This area is just full of stuff that I've cut off the road and tossed over the side. And some of it was from when the road was made itself. This area was just a jumble of downed trees because they're all aspen and green ash right in here. And both of them are, well, the green ash are all dead and the aspen are all dying because they're a short-lived tree. But this is the area where that turkey was nesting early in the year. And it's definitely going to be a good nesting area for quite some time with all this slash that keeps getting thrown in here. I really should go down there and look for puffballs today because this is the perfect time of year for it, but it's taken too long to get what I got done today, so I got to get to my day job. So that'll wrap it up for this little road maintenance video. I will be revisiting this because this is going to fall at some point pretty soon. If it falls in the winter, then it stays until the spring, but I have a feeling it's going to fall before that. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and have yourself a great day.